Welcome to the night ride. A lot of details when it's night and it's just been raining. So we're gonna test the water ingress issue with this little beast. I freaking love it. I was just on my way back home from work cruising and it started just pouring down, man. Whew. So I took the bus for a few stops and the tram and the bus. Well, now it stopped raining and now I'm cruising. Kinda dark too though, so challenging. Well, challenging conditions. Accepted. I bet the sound isn't great for you guys. Let's see if I can help with that. I ruined the trip, man. And accelerate. Oh, it's so good at it. It's so good at it. If you don't respect it, it will throw you off. It did once with me. R-spec mode uphill. Be really careful if you're standing still, especially, man. Not smart. Nowadays, yeah, I twisted my knee a little bit, but now it's healed, so that's, yeah, I've been missing it being healed. Or that one. Let's do this one. Well, it's 95% healed. Kinda. Runny nose again. And I'm out of paper. This asphalt sucks. Yeah, so I'll just be shutting off by now. Ciao!